You only get one shot at a first impression. And for HOAs, that moment happens at the curb. In HOA property management, that very first impression sets the tone for trust, value, and resident satisfaction. In this video, we'll break it down into 5 key focus areas that transform curb appeal into long-term ROI. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out all of our other videos for property management tips and the latest industry trends. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. We start with a fresh perspective. Question for you. When was the last time you walked your property like a prospective buyer? Be critical. Apply a critical eye to the things that potential buyers see first. Things like signage. Is it fading? Sidewalks. Are they even? And landscaping. Do the plants look healthy? These small visual cues either build or break trust with your prospective buyers. And here's a pro tip. Have a real estate agent or a staging professional walk the property with you and have them point out improvements that you can make. This quick exercise grounds your priorities in real-world perception and not just assumptions. Your property isn't static, and neither are people's impressions. And so, make sure that you are seeing what they see. Next, plan your upgrades. This means tightening design policies, looping residents into planning, budgeting in a smart way, and building out a calendar for projects. And so, whether it's restricting lawn ornaments or formalizing a consistent planting plan, a clear framework creates positive results. Maintenance is your silent partner in your marketing plan. A regular cleaning and repair schedule makes curb appeal a lot easier to keep up. Schedule regular power washing for outdoor areas, for example. Even if you can't tackle everything all at once, prioritize the projects that offer the most visual return. The condition of your hardscape and plantings speaks volumes, for instance. Now, let's get down to the details. Weed, edge, and mulch. Add pathway lighting and secure your fencing. These low-lift, high-impact details make your common areas feel safe, intentional, and warm. The goal is to create a space that feels cared for. And so, when the small things are handled, it tells residents and visitors that the board pays attention to everything. This builds trust over time, and so does property value. Consistency brings it all together, so make sure that everyone is following the color scheme and landscaping rules. Replace faded building numbers, eliminate litter, enforce community standards clearly and fairly. All of these finishing touches ensure that your improvements aren't undermined by just one single broken link. Alignment across all of the visual elements brings cohesion, and cohesion builds confidence. Curb appeal isn't just a spring project. It is a year-round message that your HOA is organized and attentive. Want a turnkey way to implement it all? Well, go ahead and download the full checklist below right now and see how Buildium helps HOAs budget smarter, communicate faster, and streamline maintenance workflows. You can explore Buildium tools today with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, or schedule a demo. Now, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more property management tips, and visit Buildium.com for more resources.